If you want to lose like 30 to 40 pounds in 2 to 3 months, date a Jamaican man. If you want to find the Lord, date a Jamaican man. If you want to suffer from PT, bumbleclat, SD, date a Jamaican man.
I'm gonna keep it short and sweet. I don't know which trendy woman needs to hear this, but leave that fucking Jamaican man alone. He not doing nothing for you. He just causing stress and tabanka.
Jamaican men don't date.
This next taxi man now is just like, baby, you look like you smell good.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to this channel once again. Thank you very much for the love you keep showing us, for tuning in to watch our videos every time we make a new upload. Thank you very much for the support. So guys, I just watched some videos and Jamaican women are giving advice to foreign women about Jamaican men. Some said run, some said they'll make you lose weight, some said they'll make you feel like the only woman on earth, some said they are not healed. I'm not here to defend anyone, and I'm not here to attack. I'm here to ask, why does this narrative keep coming up? So guys, I have a compilation of videos. Please make sure you watch this until the end, because these Jamaican women, they have a lot to say about the Jamaican men. I don't think anyone else knows the Jamaican men as well as they do. So guys, watch these videos until the end, and then I'll be back with more reaction. Full credit goes to the original creators of these videos we are about to react to. Thank you.
Una was set a woman. Una come from foreign. All over the foreign one that una man dear don't want una. Una left round the world, then go Jamaica on one holiday. Una meet one Jamaican man, them treat una nice. Them do things una never get done to una before. Una like them. Then una want control them. Then when them shut down, una say them a use una and them a drunk and them a dog. Remember one thing, your own man from your own country never wants you. Them style you and call you all the name in the book, and you go to Jamaica and one man down there sweep you off of your feet. Then when them treat you bad, you say them a dog. If you wasn't a dog, why your countryman don't want you? Why the man in your country refuse you and style you? Something wrong with you. It's not the man them something wrong. It's you something wrong with. Leave the man them alone.
You know, I honestly feel like, say, Jamaican man are some of the most bad mind people them on earth. Because what you know, them see you live your best life, you go to enjoy yourself, you look good. Them not like that. As soon as you live your best life, I must breed you. All of a sudden it's like them want to breed you, because not for them man, them want to park you. Then when you dash with the belly, you used to, oh, you're wicked. When the baby come and them realize that can't park you, you still look good, you still go outside. You say you kill his mother. When the baby born and them find out say it's not for them, and you give them a jacket, them begs. We are begs for. Never tell us I'm ready for breed. We are begs for.
Let me get something good. For my non-Jamaican women looking to date Jamaican men, I want to let you know something. You are not ready. You will never be ready. You don't understand this level of man, this specimen. We don't understand ourselves. The Jamaican, we don't know what this is that God gave to us, but we've taken it anyways. But these are uncharted waters that you, out of your decision making, you're deciding to do this. To let you know, darling, that if peace is what you want for your life, you have to run in the opposite direction. And if you want to lose like 30 to 40 pounds in 2 to 3 months, date a Jamaican man. If you want to find the Lord, date a Jamaican man. If you want to suffer from PT, bumbleclat, SD, date a Jamaican man. Okay? But you say you want peace? Sis, no. This is a different level of demon. Through the adaptation process, over time, Jamaican women, we've built a lining in our belly, in our stomach, strong enough for deal with the slackness, from Jamaican men. And even then so, we still struggle. That's why we try to kill them half the time, you know? But really? So, is this what you want for your life, sis? I mean, listen here. If you say this is what you want, fine. I'm just going to wish you the ultimate best on this endeavor, as this will be the hardest feat of your life. Okay? And also, I will just bless you. May the Lord bless you and keep you and give you all his strength. Because you're going to need it. You're going to need all of it.
I'm gonna keep it short and sweet. I don't know which trendy woman needs to hear this, but leave that fucking Jamaican man alone. He not doing nothing for you. He just causing stress and tabanka. Thanks. That is it. That is it.
Foreigners, me know say Jamaican man nice, but you did know say whole heap of Jamaican man they are foreign. Yeah man, whole heap of Jamaican man they are foreign. So I beg you no, stop God Jamaica go export the girl them man. No stop God Jamaica with the things on the suitcase full of polo and go take with the girl them man. Leave the Jamaican man them with their Jamaica for the Jamaican girls them. Please work with we up here. Work with the set of Jamaican them we're up here.
More than likely, they're gonna say they're paranoid because of some wicked gal. Hi, welcome back. These are things you need to know while dealing with a Jamaican man, whether you're married, dating, whatever the case is. A lot of them are dark because of the suffering they've been through in their past. And a lot of them are not healed as yet. A lot of them don't want to heal. I'm not even going to put disclaimer to say not all Jamaican men, because no matter how much I say it's not all Jamaican men, somebody's still going to comment it's not all Jamaican men. So you know what? Let's just continue. They are paranoid AF. Paranoia stems from what they have also been through, whether it's through family, personal relationships. When it comes to relationships, more than likely they're gonna say they're paranoid because of some wicked gal. You have to be mentally strong for this position. If you know that you are not confident, if you know that you are not mentally strong, apply for an next position. A lot of them grew up on survival, and when somebody grows up in survival, it is very hard for them to receive genuine love. I'm sure you guys would let me know more in the comments and correct me if I'm wrong, but let me know if you want the next part. Good luck.
So I see this video where this girl say all Caribbean men cheat. So you try the whole of the island them. All of them? But I don't know where you come to that and get that, because Jamaican men don't cheat. Gonna put all of them but all of the Caribbean men there, because Jamaican men don't cheat. And the bakery them give give the bakery. Why? Jamaican men don't cheat. Okay, you see, if you want a good man, go to Jamaica and go all the countryside. Countryman, them a cook and clean and all type of thing. Them a fatten you up. Them a fluffy you up. Hey! Jamaican men don't cheat. So when you're not posting the videos and say all Caribbean men cheat, get on the facts straight. That Jamaican men don't give bun. Them get a bakery!
Since we're on this old Jamaican topic, I'm gonna let y'all ladies know something, okay? You see Jamaican men, ooh, chef kiss. But, when I say but, I mean but. You see the looks and the dressing and the fact that them can cook, don't let that fool y'all, okay? Those men, their mouth, ooh, sweet like sugar. They will let you feel like you're the only woman upon this earth. They'll make you feel like they have never seen another woman in their life but you. Do you hear me when I say that? And don't even be thick either. If you're thick, if you're a curvy woman, if you have some meat on your body, ooh boy, they're gonna chase y'all from now to tomorrow. And trust me, they're not gonna stop. So take it from me, as a Jamaican that was born there, that only have 4 aunts and everybody else uncle, don't fall for their sweet talk, okay? Because they're good at it. Ooh, they'll make you feel so special. Ooh, those men. I'm telling y'all, be careful when y'all go. Have fun, but sweet talkers.
Okay? I love y'all. Bye.
At this point, we need to start one series about the things that Jamaican men say to me. Because tell me why when taxi man just see me and tell me say if him did have me, he would have put me down on him dress and dust me down every day. This next taxi man now is just like, baby, you look like you smell good. Yo, even if I'm trying not to answer, I'm still just off dead with laugh because the things that they say are so creative. And if you've ever traveled to America, you can attest to the fact that being in America, there are hardly any men who call to you as a woman. When you're in Jamaica, you can't go very far without men calling to you. Like Jamaican men have the most creative catchphrases. Them call to you in the most creative ways. Like all if you're not fat on them, you must have to laugh or something like that. Trust me.
Me watch 90 Day Fiance and me see some Jamaican man pan it. And me just look pan the girl and me say, boy, them girl I don't even know what to clock a strike. Them understand how Jamaican man stay. Them a tourists that will come here nowadays. Not even just nowadays, but them a girl that will come to Jamaica. And claims that them fall in love with Jamaican man and the Jamaican man so in love with them. Them don't understand what a clock a strike. Them don't know what a clock a strike. First of all, Jamaican man full of chat. Full of chat. I'm gonna mean regular chat. Jamaican man full of poetic chat. Jamaican man tell us that I'm gonna climb a tree naked just for you. Just for talk to you for 1 minute, just to make sure them can bless them eyes upon your beauty. Jamaican man tell us that you are the akina them selfish. Jamaican man tell us say you are the peas and them rice. When Jamaican man don't tell us some breed of things. You pack up your little belongings from over foreign and you plant yourself down here in Jamaica. You cannot listen to the Jamaican man. You have to, it's an art, okay? Everybody must go date Jamaican man, but it's an art to it, okay? You have to know when they can listen to them and know when it's just not pay them no mind, right? I'm gonna feel like the trick to it is that everybody must just don't pay them no mind for a period of time. They might just make them get it out of their system. And then you can start listening to them little. But even then, you can't even 100% sure because Jamaican man also very persistent. You see them very persistent. So they may look you for years. They may look you just for sister and can get you. And then after that, oh yeah, where you going, someone? Where you going? You know, me and your thing different. Excuse?
Jamaican men don't date. You go a yard or you go on one party up here and you have a 1-2 talk with a man. Probably like him a little bit and him like you. Wanna exchange number in less than 24 hours, you know, that man there tell us say you're fame. You belong to him. And best believe you're a woman. Some tell people, man, me say, you know, you're sad and depressed and have confidence issues and don't feel like yourself. Take a trip, go to Jamaica. You walk on the road and it sound like a beer bus tire fall back of you. Psst, niceness. Psst, nice girl. That's why enough Jamaican men they are firing. And enough of them they are married and all type of because the woman them up here them just love them Jamaican man. Cause when you up here now, you date American man and them think there, you know, the woman them get tired. Because some of them take 1 year, 6 months, 3 years before you hear say you and them in a one relationship. And the woman them up here them tired of it, so them go to Jamaica and them get them a man. Yeah man, Jamaican men don't date. In less than 24 hours you will know. You will know. You gonna hear who you belong to.
Have you ever dated a Jamaican guy before?
Yes,
What was it like?
horrible.
Why would you say that?
Because I'm Jamaican, so I deal with them on a daily basis.
Oh, okay. So what advice you have for like a overseas country? What advice you would give the girls about Jamaican guys?
Be strong. Don't have faith.
That's these you gotta have it. All right, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
That was really powerful, guys. Thank you for watching and staying with me until the end. So guys, let's talk about the run narrative. The strongest statement was this: foreign women are not ready. Run in the opposite direction. When advice becomes that extreme, it usually comes from lived experience. But here's the question: is this a pattern or is it pain speaking? Are Jamaican men uniquely difficult or are they culturally intense in a way that feels overwhelming? And another theme was that they don't date. You exchange numbers and within 24 hours, you belong to them. They'll tell you, baby, you look like you smell good. They make you feel like the only woman on earth. Now this is interesting. Jamaican culture is expressive. The language is poetic. Flirting is rhythmic. But where is the line between confidence, charm, possessiveness, and love bombing? Because those are not the same thing. And depending on the person, what feels romantic to one woman may feel overwhelming to another. That's not nationality. I can say it's perception and personality. One woman said many Jamaican men grew up in survival mode, that they are paranoid, that they struggle receiving genuine love. Jamaica has a history of colonial trauma, economic pressure, community instability in some areas, migration, separation, father absence in certain households, of course, like many other places on earth. When boys grow up needing to survive emotionally, they often learn, don't show weakness, don't trust easily, control before you get hurt. That can show up in relationships. But here is the key question. Is that Jamaican men or is that unhealed masculinity? Because those are two different conversations. Another claim was that when Jamaican men see a woman living comfortably, they want to secure themselves quickly, sometimes through a child. Now that's a serious statement. But let's widen the lens. Migration culture changes relationship dynamics. Economic differences change power balance. International dating, of course, introduces opportunity and risk. This is not unique about only Jamaican, but the global image of the Caribbean lover amplifies it. So again, I ask, are we describing strategy or stereotype? Please make sure you're active in the comments and help us clear this out. Not everything was negative, of course. Some women said Jamaican men cook, they clean, and of course, you can't tell me very many places where you can go and men cook, clean. No, it's very rare. And Jamaican men, they offer that. They also said they make you feel like a woman. I think that's good. They are creative, they are poetic. So now the narrative becomes even complicated. How can the same group of men be described as romantic and reckless, creative and controlling, affectionate and unstable? Because human beings are not one-dimensional. Why does this conversation keep going viral internationally? Why do Jamaican men have this intense global reputation? Is it the charisma, music influence, dancehall culture, confidence? Is it the migration, hypervisibility? Or is it social media exaggerating extreme stories? Because platforms amplify drama, not stability. Let me be clear, this video is not about Jamaican men are toxic, and it's not Jamaican men are perfect. In this world, I'm sure no one is perfect. So, if the video is asking, what cultural patterns are we seeing? What trauma patterns are we seeing? What relationship patterns are we seeing? And how do we separate culture from character? I want this comment section thoughtful. Women, are Jamaican men uniquely intense? Or is this just strong masculine energy misunderstood? Do you feel unfairly stereotyped? This is for the men. Men, do you feel unfairly stereotyped? Or do you recognize some truth in these patterns? For foreign women, what has your experience actually been? Let's talk honestly, not emotionally. Here's my final thoughts. Jamaican men are not a monolith. Neither are Jamaican women. Neither are foreign women. Anytime we reduce millions of people to a single narrative, we lose depth. But ignoring patterns does not help either. So maybe the real question isn't, should foreign women run? Maybe the question is, what does healthy masculinity look like in Jamaica today? And are we evolving towards it? That's the real conversation. Thank you very much for watching this video until the end. Make sure you like the video, get in the comments, and let's get the conversation going. Until next time, respect.